So let's get it started! First, we have to prepare the ingredient. 1.5 cups of flour, 1/3 cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 cup of melted butter, 2 eggs, 3/4 cup of milk, and of course the blueberries. Simply add all the dried ingredients in a bowl. Let's have the flour first. Flour builds the structure of the baked goodies. Then pour the white sugar on it to add sweetness. Yummy! Then the baking powder to add the needed lift. And lastly, the salt to balance the taste. Mix all the dry ingredients using a spatula until they are all well combined. Be careful when mixing to avoid spills and prevent wastage, okay guys? This time we will mix all the wet ingredients. We have the milk, then the melted butter that adds flavor to the muffin and makes the baked goodies soft. Make sure to put it all. And last, put the eggs that will bind the baked goodies. Then mix it very carefully so it won't spill. We have to be patient here guys until we achieve the desired consistency. So slowly, we can see that the color of the mixture is starting to change. It is becoming lighter because of the color of the milk. I think it's done. And now we will combine the dry ingredients and the wet ingredients. Reminder guys, be careful when using or holding fragile containers like the measuring cup. You can also ask help from adults if you are having a hard time. Then just like what we did a while ago, we just simply mix the ingredients together. Make sure they are all well combined. You can also alternate your left and right hand while mixing because this is a little tiring guys. But this is also a good way to build muscles. When it's done, we can now add the blueberries. You can also use dried blueberries if you want. But because the canned one is available in the grocery, this is what we're using. It is also up to you if you want to include the syrup or if you want only the blueberries. But for me, I'm adding the syrup because I want my muffin to be moist and I don't want to waste the ingredients. So, mix and fold until we achieve the desired mixture. Let's add a little more of the berries, then let's mix it again. And I think it's done, guys. Now we have to prepare the muffin pan. Put on the muffin filler in the pan. Then put at least 2 tablespoons of the mixture in each filler. Do the same with the other pan. Make sure to wipe off excess mixture. And we have to bake it in the preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. In this step, you really have to ask help from the adults. So here it is, guys. So I'm gonna try it. You can also try this at home. For more videos, please like and subscribe. Bye! Did you know that 11th of July is National Blueberry Muffin Day? It all started in Europe. It is considered as a day of learning and sharing. learning a very flavorful recipe of blueberry muffin and sharing it with your loved ones. Many people consider blueberries as superfood. Blueberries can help with weight loss and healthy digestion. These also improve mental health, protect our hearts, control sugar intake, lower blood pressure, improve our skin, and help maintaining healthy bones. Quite impressive, right? Who could ever thought that something so small is packed with a lot of nutrients? So, what are you waiting for? Even if it's not Blueberry Muffin Day, we can still enjoy these flavorful baked goodies with our family and friends. Did you learn something new? Then like and subscribe for more videos.